Hi, in front of me I have HAYLOU RT, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the notifications on this device. To enable the notifications on this watch, we need to open the HAYLOU Fun app on our phone. Of course, our watch needs to be paired with our phone via this app. After you open the app, you should see the home screen. Here, tap on this watch icon to open the list of devices. Now tap on the HAYLOU RT to select our device, of course, and you should see this menu. Right here, tap on the message notice, and now we can allow or deny some permissions. We can, I think we need to allow them for the notifications to work, so let's tap on allow, and now we can, or rather we need to allow the permission for the notification access. And to do it, simply tap on confirm right here. It's gonna redirect you to the notification access settings. Here, tap on the HAYLOU Fun to select it, and then allow the notification access by tapping the switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow to confirm. Now we can go back by tapping on back, and you should see this screen in your app. We can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch right here. If you tap on it, it's gonna enable the notifications for all the apps, as you can see. You can also disable it, but if you want to enable the notifications for only few apps or one app, simply tap on the switch next to the app you want to enable the notifications for, like that, to enable it. You can also scroll all the way down, and here you have more reminders. Basically, if you tap on it, you will open the list of even more apps you have or you're able to enable the notifications for. Simply tap on the switch next to the app you want to enable the notifications for and go back like that. And if you want to disable it, open the more reminders again and tap on the switch next to it again, like this. Okay, we can also enable the notifications for phone calls, and to do it, go to this screen, to the HAYLOU RT page, scroll down, and here we have incoming call notice. And to enable the call notifications, simply tap on the switch next to it, then allow the permission for phone and call logs, and now you should get the notifications about the calls on your watch. And that's how you enable the notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.